How to block or mute users on Threads. So to start, we'll just have to open the app, and then in here as an example, I'm going to block or mute my other account. To do that, we'll have to tap on the search icon and then search for the account. So for you to block an account, all you need to do is to go to their account, and then once you're on the account, tap on these three dots, and then a pop-up menu will show you this block option. All you need to do is to tap on this one, and then in here, before you block an account, keep in mind that once you block an account, they won't be able to find your profile or content on Threads. No one will be able to see the replies to your posts unless you unblock them. And then the last one, they won't be notified that you blocked them. So if you are sure to block an account, simply tap on the block option. So the second part of this video, how do we mute users on Threads? To do that, the same process, you'll have to go to the account that you want to mute, and then in here tap again on these three dots, and then a pop-up menu will show you this mute option. All you need to do is to tap on this one and then tap on this mute post. So after muting users or accounts, and then you want to unmute them, all you need to do is to go to your profile, and then in here tap on these two lines, and then after that go to this privacy option, and then under privacy, tap on this muted option. After that, it will show you all the users or accounts that you have muted before. So if you want to unmute an account, all you need to do is to tap on this unmute option. So that's how easy you can block or mute users on Threads. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!